Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. So today on our lessons we'll be treating English. Okay, so I'll be taking you English today, and on English I've decided to treat something I noticed that is happening frequently, mistakes we make which we might not know that we are making mistakes. So using used to, that's the topic for today. Okay, like I said, I decided to take on that topic because I discovered that some people or many people use it wrongly, used to, without even knowing it. So alright, so used to. So when do we use used to? We use used to when we talk about talk about talk about things we are accustomed to. We are accustomed to. Accustomed to, or things we do frequently. We do frequently. Okay, so that's the proper use of used to. We use it when we talk about things we do frequently, or when we talk about things we are accustomed to. So let's look at example of those uses. Okay, the first example we're going to look at, you could say I am used to shopping every weekend. Every weekend. Alright, so you could say I am used to shopping every weekend, so that's correct. And also you could say he is used to playing football every Saturday. Okay, you could say that, and he's used to playing football every Saturday. Alright, and you could also say they are used to singing in the church. Okay, they are used to singing in the church. Alright, you could say that. So all these examples, the first one, I am used to shopping every weekend. Second one, he is used to playing football every Saturday. The third, they are used to singing in the church. Okay, so these three are correct, and these sentences show something that is being frequented. I'm used to shopping every weekend. You do that every weekend and you haven't stopped, you're still doing it. Okay, He is used to playing football every Saturday. He does that every Saturday and he hasn't stopped doing it. He's still doing it. So used to is mostly used to describe, okay, when you use am, is or are, when you use the auxiliary verbs is or are or am immediately after the pronouns, it shows that you're referring to things that you do frequently and you're still doing them. And that's where the mistake usually occurs. People mean to say things that they do frequently and they're still doing them, but they make the mistake of the placement of used to. Okay, so let's look at the errors. Let's say common errors. The common errors are: 1, people will always say, okay, not all right, some will say I used to um accompany my mother accompany my mother to the market. I used to accompany my mother to the market. And they don't really mean something they do in the past. They mean to say they do it frequently and they are still doing it. So in this sense, using used to here has been done wrongly. I used to accompany my mother to the market. This sentence is showing something you do frequently in the past. That's the meaning of this sentence. I used to accompany my mother to the market. So it shows what you do frequently in the past. You usually accompany your mother in the past, okay? Because you use used to immediately after the pronoun I, so that changes the meaning automatically. That means you're doing it in the past and you're no longer doing it again. Okay, another error. Okay, let's say he used to laugh at people in the class. People in the class. Okay, he used to laugh at people in the class. All right, so this sentence means he is something he's frequenting in the past. He does it in the past. He laughs at people in the class before. So if you're going to say he laughs at people in the class and he is still laughing at people in the class now, then you have to say he is used to. He does that frequently. It has been accustomed to him. It's his habit. He does it all the time. So you are supposed to use the auxiliary verb is to make that something that is happening and it's still happening. But if you ignore the auxiliary verb is here, then you are referring to events that were happening frequently in the past. Okay, so I hope that's clear and the doubt has been removed. If you must use used to refer to things you do frequently, then you must attach an auxiliary verb to it. Like in this example, I am used to shopping every weekend. This sentence shows, yeah, you shop every weekend and you're still shopping. You still shop every weekend. That's something that it's your habit. You do it every weekend, and if the next weekend comes, you're still going to do that. So he is used to playing football every Saturday. That also shows it's his habit. He does it every Saturday. He plays football, and if this Saturday comes, he's still going to play football. He hasn't stopped. They are used to singing in the church. They do that always, and they will continue doing that. They will continue singing in the church for as long as possible. If this, okay, if they go to church tomorrow, they're going to sing. So that's something they're used to. It's accustomed to them. They can't stop it. So they are used to doing it, okay? All right, but look at the common errors. I used to accompany my mother to the market. Okay, reading that with me. I used to. Used to. I used to. I do it before. I'm no longer doing it. That's what this sentence means. And that's where many of us don't. Okay, that's where we get it wrong. We could say, I used to eat rice every day. It's wrong. I used to eat rice every day. It's wrong. I'm used to eating rice every day. That's correct. Okay? Okay, he used to laugh at people in the class, which is wrong. He is used to laughing at people in the class. That's correct. Something he is used to, and he still does it. He hasn't stopped. So when you're talking about things that you do frequently and you're still doing them, because you're accustomed to that, and you will still do it every day, all the time, frequently, then you must use the auxiliary verbs am, is, are. Okay, then if you're going to, that's if you must use or used to. But if you want to talk about things you do all the time and you don't want to use used to, you could use always. For example, you could say, I always shop every weekend. That's much better. I always shop every weekend. If you must use, if you don't want to use used to, or you're confused on how to use used to, you could use this always, showing how frequently, or you could use usually. He usually play football every Saturday. Okay, so that's much preferable, that's much understandable, that's much better. Okay, I come back again. Our topic is used to, and we said, or I said rather, we use used to when we talk about things we are accustomed to or things we do frequently. Okay, and here are the examples. We have, I am used to shopping every weekend. I don't shop every weekend, it's just an example, don't get me wrong. He is used to playing football every Saturday. They are used to singing in the church. Okay, so that's correct use of used to when you talk about things you do frequently and you will still do them. But if you use used to without the auxiliary verb, then the whole sentence changes, and it means you're referring to things you used to do in the past but you no longer do them. So I hope we understand and we get it right, and we're going to correct those errors. Okay, and I said if you don't know where and how you're going to use used to, it's better you ignore it and use words like always or usual, or you could say I do. Okay, I always shop every weekend. He usually play football every Saturday. So that's much better than saying I used to accompany my mother, when you're talking about things you do frequently and you're still doing it. If you say used to after the pronoun, then your sentence turns automatically to what you do in the past, what you're used to doing in the past, and not what you do and what you're still doing. So that brings us to the end of this class. If you love this lesson, press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends and loved ones. And if you have any comments, you're welcome, drop at the comment section. Thanks for your time. Bye.